Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll do the analysis for silver, US dollar currency pairs. Let us begin our analysis from weekly time frame to understand the overall price action and to understand the trend of the price action in the lower time frames. So I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action from the weekly time frame, we have noticed it to bounce on the bullish side retracement from the support level of 11.13. After reaching the resistance level of 30, we have noticed a price action to start to trend on the bearish side retracement. In all the way, we have not noticed it to break the previous high. So based on this price action, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame is on a bearish trend. So here we have noticed a bullish trend, then a bearish side retracement. And when we connect the highs and the lows of the price action, we can clearly notice that it is forming into one flag pattern. And within this flag pattern, we are noticing it to trend on the bullish side retracements. Since it was a bullish trend, then a consolidation. Once the price action breaks the previous high, we can expect a bullish side retracement to continue in weekly time frame for silver and USD currency pairs. And within this bullish side retracement also, I have drawn a parallel resistance zone over here. The price action has to break this resistance zone if it wants to start its bullish side retracement in weekly time frame. Previously, we have noticed the price action to test this resistance line. So as long as the price action doesn't break this uppermost resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in weekly time frame also. So wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance zone if you want to enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. In daily time frame also, we are noticing the price action to be trending on the bullish side retracement. So first level of resistance is going to be the lower line, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to test the higher level resistance line. And if the price action breaks this higher level resistance line, it will be the bullish side trend reversal in daily time frame also. I have drawn a channel pattern based on the past price action, and currently we are noticing the price action to reach near to the resistance line from the weekly time frame and also the bullish channel pattern resistance line. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance level in order to enter into the bearish side trade. But still, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. And if the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 23.61, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 25.12, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest the previous resistance level of 27.0. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, it will be the bullish side trend reversal in daily time frame. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level, next level of support is going to be around 22.47. And if the price action breaks this support level of 22.47, next level of support is going to be around 21.54, 20.88, 20.22, 19.42, 18.30. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, after testing the resistance line from the bullish channel pattern of the daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side, but again it tried to break the resistance level of 22.45 and it bounced back on the bearish side retracement. On the second attempt, it succeeded in breaking this resistance level of 22.45 with a higher volume. And from there we are noticing the price action to be trending on the bullish side retracement. And during this process we can clearly notice that it has made a double bottom pattern, and also it has completed retracing to the level where it started its bearish side retracement. So I would recommend you to draw a support line in order to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade in hourly time frame, or else we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame also. But again, so the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action trying to break the resistance level of 23.67, and if the price action manages to break this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 24.10, 24.67 and 25.40. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 23.67, next level of support is going to be around 23.36, 23.03, 22.64, 22.45 and 22.01. Since the price action is trading within a range, we are seeing lots of support levels and lots of resistance levels within a narrow range. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line from the hourly time frame to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this bullish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement. But again, on the bullish side, this whole area between this resistance line and the support line is a very strong resistance zone from the weekly time frame. It has to break this resistance zone if the price action wants to start its bullish side retracement. Otherwise we can expect a bounce back on the bearish side retracement from this resistance zone. Let us mark the resistance and support levels in 30 minutes time frame. So the trend in 30 minutes time frame is also on a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame. And currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 23.67 on the bearish side retracement. So currently the price action has broken the support level of 23.52. Next level of support is going to be around 23.39, 23.31 and 23.22. Once the price action breaks its support level of 23.22, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame, and next level of support is going to be around 23.12 and 23.95. And if the price action again bounces back from the support level of 23.39 on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 23.52, 23.67 and 23.87. The price action is trading between a narrow range for now. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.